Alright guys, we're at Mare Waterfall at the moment, so we're going to go check that out, and then there's loads more places I want to see, so let's get cracking. Loch Lomond and the Trossachs National Park. Plenty of water around. First place we've hit is the Falls of Falloch, so let's go check it out. Oh my god, I've just met two awesome girls, man. They've just been swimming. Oh, they're just my kind of people. They've just been swimming. They've got this beautiful, one of the girls has got this beautiful dog called Gus, who Huxley was just playing with. So we've swapped contact details. We're going to meet up again soon and go for a dog walk and a swim. I just love this lifestyle, man. You just meet so many people all the time. Met two guys at the last place who told me a few spots to go to as well. But these girls were great, man. I love it. Absolutely love it. Can't wait to see them again already. I'm Robin. Nice to meet you.
We know the dog names and everything.
We've just got to a nice little spot in the woods right by Loch Lomond. There's a little forest walk here as well. It's getting dark now, so I'm just going to chill out, and it's raining, so I'm going to cook some food, and then first thing in the morning I'm going to check out the little woodland area, and then we'll head to our next spot. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Bit of a cold one last night, guys. The diesel heater broke. I had a massive water bottle in the back, and it's fell over and covered the fan. So I think it's pushed the fan too close, and because it was blocking the fan as well as I turned it on, it made a really loud noise and was smelling a bit burny. So it's been a cold one. Me and Huxley shared the bed last night to try and keep each other warm. So I'm gonna go. Someone's gonna take a look at it for me today. So, but before that, I'm gonna go down the side of the loch and stop off at a few places on the way. I need to get some gas as well because that's run out. So I couldn't even make a hot drink to keep me warm. But all good now. Got the raw food, got the squirrel, got the puppy. Huxley, what have you been doing? Huh? What have you been doing? No luck on the heat situation, guys. It's dead. It's gone. It's dead. Had a guy look it out today, and yeah, I need a new one. But he was so lovely and helpful and friendly and knowledgeable, and he was great. He's got his own company in Glasgow called Happy Campers, I think it's called, and he fits diesel heaters and does other things as well. So definitely recommend him. He was really lovely. But it's going to be another cold night for us. I've got Huxley on the bed again. I'm in my thermals. I'm going to use him as a furry hot water bottle. And it's not so bad at night, really. It's the morning when you wake up and it's just so cold. You just don't want to get out of bed. You don't realise how much you depend on a heater when you've had one. Because I lived in a rental traffic for a year with no heating at all, and hardly any insulation. I don't know how I did it, actually. I really don't, because I was struggling last night. I think you just get used to it, don't you? But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed Loch Lomond, or the parts of Loch Lomond that I've shown you. I know I haven't shown you that much. I will be back to check out more of the place another time, so I'll make another video on that. But for now, I'll say goodbye until my next adventure. I think I'm going to go to Wales next. I really want to go to Anglesey, and oh god, there's so many places in Wales I want to go and see. So yeah, that'll probably be my next video. So, but I hope you've enjoyed this one, and until then, I'll say goodbye. So thank you. Bye.